So yeah, guys, these are all my babies that have been put outside. They're on notice. Now this one is performing beautifully. She's definitely going to get to come back inside in a few weeks. Maybe in about 2 weeks. I'm going to clean her up and repot her. And then we have a couple of others. This one I just brought out recently. I can't say that name. I don't know. Wasn't doing so well. I don't know what's on that leaf. But anyway, it's out here rehabbing. This is my Burley Marks. I heard that they do better, give you more variegation with humidity. So we'll see about that. My Selby is much better. She'll be coming back in. And this, look at this. Look at that. We've had quite a few of those showing up around here. This is my Syngonium. Can't remember the name. I'll put it on. This is my original pubic helix. She is huge. She was looking kind of rough, so I put her out here. She's doing beautifully. There are a couple of babies down there. My gray ghost. I think it's a gray ghost. And then that is a Velosa. I don't know what that is crawling on the leaf. I hope it's eating whatever is keeping it from growing. I'm thinking mites. It might have some mites or something. Yeah, this one has really done well. This was one of the corms. The mother is on the floor here. But yeah, look at the size of these leaves. I have to hold it really far. But yeah, this one, I think I'm going to sell it. So if you're into alocasia, keep an eye out. My shop. Who else is here that I haven't talked about? That right there, the epipremnum is looking good. Epipremnum, aplycinum, or something like that. I forgot what they call it. Silver streak. It's looking good. It's not looking very silvery though, but it's doing okay. Down here, I don't know that she's going to make it. I have two Adansonii. That one has picked up. This baby here, oh, such a disappointment. I might just chop it back to a stump. We'll see. We'll see. Here's a cuculata. And yeah, the leaves are finally sizing up. This is the biggest one it's ever given me. And then here is the Regal Shields. The mama. She's doing very well. This is the newest leaf. Not bad. I gotta cut off the old one down there. But yeah, this is my mess. Everyone's shoved together right now because there's another storm coming through. And they got plenty of water last night. But yeah, this baby finally is looking like a monstera should. I don't know if you remember, I potted up two. I had two that, so originally it was one plant. Came out here last year. You guys were with me. And I separated two in glass containers with sphagnum moss, leca, cocoa chips, and charcoal. And that was it. I took them upstairs in my bedroom. Morning sun, they were doing okay. But then I got the bright idea, let me put them in this container with, I added a little soil to the original mix and put them together again because I wanted a nice big one. Oh, do you want to see a hummingbird? Let me see if I can catch her. She's sitting right on that spinner. See? See my little buddy coming to visit? Hope you can see her. That's the female. I feed them, so they're always buzzing around. But anyway, back to the plants. She might whiz by my head in a minute. But yeah, so anyway, it's looking good. I put it back together and then Then it wasn't looking good, so I said, well, let me just bring it out here and see if she'll like this hot summer we've been having. And I think she has. She's loved it. So yeah, in a few weeks, I'm going to give her probably, I don't know what I'm going to pot her up and keep her in that, and maybe just take the first 3 inches from the top out, put some systemic in there, clean the leaves real good, and keep it isolated, probably downstairs in the basement with a grow light for a few weeks until I know that it's okay to bring back into my space with the other plants. She's huge, so honestly, she can't get much bigger. She can, but I don't know if she's attached to the plank. Oh, yeah, I think she is. Oh my God, it worked. I hope Jeff is seeing this. Yeah, she's attached to that plank, all right. No wonder she started sizing up. Look at the leaf here. I think these are the latest leaves I've gotten. All of them are fenestrated, looking good. That's the prettiest. All right, I'm rambling on. The fiddle leaf fig, I don't know what I'm going to do with her. As you can see, there's damage. Lots of, and my fault, spider mite damage. I neglected her. She's 2 plants in this pot. So I'm hoping, look at that. That don't look good. But yeah, I just put her out recently. So I'm not seeing the spider mites, but yeah. So that's everybody hanging out. That rubida there. No, what's it called? Rigidifolia. Rigidifolia. When I got it and repotted it, it started acting funky. So I figured maybe it was used to the humidity from Florida. It came from Gabriella's plants. And once I put it out here, she straightened right up. So yeah, that's it. Excuse the mess out here. I've neglected my deck. Haven't really been out here like usual. I need some deck work done, so I don't trust it. I don't want to fall through or anything. So all right, guys, let me sign off here. This is the crew that is seriously rehabbing out here in nature. Thanks for watching.